Imagine waking up to a world transformed overnight into a snow-laden nightmare. In March 1888, the Great Blizzard struck the northeastern United States with ferocity. Over 400 people perished as this storm unleashed winds over 45 mph and dumped up to 50 inches of snow in parts of New York. Transportation ground to a halt. Trains and streetcars were immobilized, and cities were paralyzed. The storm's ferocity caught everyone off guard, leading to chaos in major urban centers. The blizzard forced a reevaluation of weather forecasting and urban planning. It stands as a stark reminder of nature's power and the vulnerability of human endeavors against it.